My name is Anna, and today is a big day. I'm flying to the United States to visit my aunt. I still can't believe it's happening. Even though my bags are packed, I'm worried I might forget something. My friend helped me this morning, which made me feel calmer. I'm excited, a little nervous, but mostly happy. It's my first time flying alone. Now it's time to make sure I have everything before I leave. I have my passport. I have my ticket. I have my ID. I have my visa. I packed my charger. I packed my medicine. I packed warm clothes. I checked the weather. I have my wallet. I have cash and my card. I will lock the door soon. I hope I didn't forget anything. Did I close the window? Okay, one last look around the room. Did I turn off the lights? I will turn off the water. Do you need help with your bags? No, I can carry them. Have a safe trip? Thank you. I'm really excited. I'll call you later. Take a photo at the gate. I will. Bye. I'm locking the door now. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Deep breath. My trip begins now. Taxi, please. Hello, can you take me to Terminal 2?
Sure. How many bags do you have?
2 bags and 1 suitcase.
Is that all?
Yes. Do you know the airport well?
Yes, I go there every day.
How long to the airport?
About 30 minutes now.
Is there a toll?
Maybe 1 toll.
Please help with the luggage.
I will put it in the trunk.
Thank you. Keep the meter on, please.
Of course. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am alone.
Good luck and enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please. I need it.
Here's the receipt.
Thank you. Excuse me, is this the information desk?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
Where is the check-in counter?
Go straight and turn left.
Which airline is in that area?
Mostly international flights. What's your airline?
I'm flying with Delta Airlines.
That's in Terminal 2, counters 20 to 35.
Thank you. And where is Gate 15?
It's also in Terminal 2, after security check.
Where is the security check?
After you check in, just follow the signs.
Where is the restroom, please?
On the right, near the cafe.
Great, thank you. And where can I get a luggage trolley?
Near the entrance, by the glass doors.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you are.
Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
How much is the weight?
It is 18 kilograms.
Is that okay?
Yes, your seat is 12A.
Is that a window seat?
Yes, it is a window seat.
Do I need to pay for the extra bag?
No, it's included. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:20.
Where do I go for security?
Follow signs to Security A.
Thank you for your help.
Have a good flight.